Netflix manage profiles, how to manage Netflix profiles. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can manage your Netflix profiles. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to manage your Netflix profiles, basically the thing over here is you simply have to open up the Netflix application, because managing profiles is a pretty straightforward process. Before you choose any profile from here to log in, what you want to do is, if you look closely at the top right hand side of the screen, you'll find a little edit button there. So just tap on that edit button, and now you can simply select any profile that you want to edit. So Netflix will allow you to have up to 5 profiles. If you've already created 5 profiles, you won't be able to create more than that. If you have less than that, you'll find the plus button here as well. So depending upon what kind of profiles you wish to edit, you can simply select that profile. The first thing is profile name, profile pictures. You can go to viewing restrictions and customize some of the restrictions they have. You can enable or disable profile lock here. You can change the display language if you want to. You can also change the audio and subtitle language if you want to. Similarly, you can go through all of these other options like subtitle appearance, autoplay, previews, trailers, and episodes. If you also want to think that you want to delete the profile, you can also delete the profile by tapping on this bottom option. This is the way you can manage Netflix profiles. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.